Is this going to be the lens fog solution for the Insta360 X3 lenses? Let's find out. Okay, step 1. Make sure the lenses are clean and dust-free, then spray the inside of the lens with the anti-fog spray first. This part is especially important because you don't want to seal the lens with any dust or lint trapped inside. Step 2. Install the lens guards over the original, clean Insta360 lenses. The dilemma using the Insta360 is how to protect the lens whilst filming. If you want more information on these lenses, watch this video on my Insta360 playlist. For this final step, spray the outer lenses. Now you'll need to do this every so often to make sure that the anti-fogging continues to work. So this is a very foggy, misty, humid area that I'm in right now. I don't expect to completely eradicate the fogging. The goal is to see how much the fogging is reduced and how quickly it disappears. I also did a rather bizarre test using my Kettle just to see how quickly it would dissipate. I'm happy to say that the moisture and the fogging disappeared pretty quickly. This area would create a lot of fogging on my lens and also would take a long time to dissipate. Yes, there's still some fogging. However, it's not as noticeable and also can be corrected a bit with color grading. When I compare previous rides before using the anti-fog spray, it was misting up really fast, very strongly, and took a long time to dissipate. So overall, I feel like this is a success. It may not have eradicated the fogging completely, but I'm really happy. I'm really impressed at how quickly the lens fogging clears. For me, this is a big success. For more help with the Insta360, check out my YouTube tutorials. If you try using an anti-fog spray on your lenses, please do let me know how you get on. I would like to know if it works for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow.